And this is the way in. So the sun is setting. It's a little bit darker in here. Got sunglasses on. I should take them off. But yes, this is this beautiful path that's here. And I saw somebody on the ground. Who is that? Oh, there's just birds on the ground. We're going to try to identify all the nature we can in this walk. So robins. We got robins. And we're going to try to ignore all the garbage. Also, sometimes people chill out here, as in live. Even in Canada, homelessness is a thing, a real thing. And believe it or not, people find solace here. You could look it up. You can Google the facts. Yeah. And then we've got this gorgeous river. Don't want to hit my head. Oh, and this is my dad. Say hi, Dad. He says, peace, one love. That's a daughter mind reading father. Ah, so pretty.